Creating consistent characters with AI can feel like chasing shadows. One day you get the perfect look, the next day it's gone. But what if you could lock that look in and use it across all your AI-generated scenes? In this video, I will show you how to build your own consistent AI characters using Leonardo AI with easy but powerful techniques. Whether you want to build a comic series, social media brand, or story-based content, this is where it starts. Let's start with something simple but surprisingly effective. Go to Leonardo.ai, sign up for a new account or log into an existing account. Head into Leonardo dashboard and go to image generation. In image generation, I recommend using the cinematic preset. It adds more depth and realism by default. For now, I will leave the style settings untouched. If you are creating for Insta, digital comics, or commercial use, switch the rendering from fast to quality. It takes a bit longer, but the visual difference is huge. Now I drop in a prompt. For example, a young woman with red hair, green eyes, soft lighting, smiling, cinematic shot, ultra detailed. Let it generate and you get something pretty good. Now here's a trick. Copy the seed of image. You will find it in image settings. This little number acts like the DNA of the generation. It helps bring some consistency when used in another prompt. Let's try this. I paste the same seed into a new prompt but tweak the settings slightly. Same woman, red hair, green eyes, wearing a yellow dress, standing in a forest. Like the woman is same, but we are saying that she is wearing a yellow dress and is standing in a forest. Result, you get someone which resembles the original, even though the background and clothes changed. It's perfect, but if you don't need pixel perfect consistency, like for animations or stories, this is a free and token efficient method that gives you a stable look. Also, if you add more fixed details like earrings, freckles, braided hair, or even specific outfits, you will get closer consistency with each generation. Now, if you don't want to copy the seed again and again and you don't want to get in that mess, you can simply go to advanced settings and turn the fixed seed on. This means that every time you enter the prompt, the prompt we entered here, a young woman with red hair, green eyes, and you change the clothes or background or whatever you want to change in a scene, and you change it, you will get the same consistent character. Now let's go one level higher. If you are using Leonardo's paid plan, you unlock the character reference tool, a powerful feature for real consistency. Click on the upload image icon on the left side of prompt box and select character reference. Upload a reference image or select one from your past generations. Set resemblance strength to high. Change the prompt however you want, different pose, clothing, background. Click generate. Now Leonardo AI uses your selected image as a visual anchor. You will see a clear resemblance in each new generation, especially if you use the same reference image repeatedly. Combine this with pose to image or style options to match poses, environments, or fashion styles. Super handy for social media visuals or storyboards. Now this is the most powerful method. If you want a character that looks identical every time, you need to train your own model in Leonardo AI. This is something also available in Leonardo's paid plan. So you can simply go to train your own model, click new data set and name your data set and add a short description for it. Upload 20 to 40 high quality images of the same character, use different poses, angles and backgrounds for best results. Okay, so you can add a prompt and you can hit start training. So training can take up to an hour, but once it's done, boom, you have got a custom character model ready to go. What state you can generate your images with this model. This method is cheaper than character reference method in the long run and gives perfectly consistent characters, great for building a fictional influencer or game. And that's how you create characters that stick across locations, actions, and styles. Whether you are just starting with free tools and you are diving into custom trained models, Leonardo gives you powerful options to build visual consistency. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment below. Let me know what kind of character you are working on, and if you want to work with me, simply book a meeting using the link in description.